heavy rain I will get more wet. Salt. I'm just following the sound of the stream water. Maybe I can find a stream water here. Yes, maybe, but I don't know how to go down here. From here maybe. Oh man, oh yeah. Yes, this is the running water here. Wow, I don't know how to. It's not safe to go down like this. Wow, man. Yes, I found. Wow, it's nice. Finally. Wow, it's so slippery. Here. Slowly. Finally I found the water here. There's running water. It's a nice place. Wow. After hiking in the hot weather, now I'm enjoying stream cold water here. That is very nice and is a perfect price, special in the summer. It's nice. Later I decide to cook on that rock because the rock is so flat, so I can easily cook there. Wow, it's nice, huh? So guys, I'm preparing for collecting the wood for my wood stove. So this is my portable saw for outdoor use. So it's like it's easy to carry. You can see the open like this. It's easy to use like this. I find this flat rock that's nice for cooking. I collect some dry wood here, so I start cooking in this nice place. So today I'm using this budget wood stove. It's come like this. This is my first time to use a stove like this. This is maybe the thing here. This. And this one is go down like this, and this one is like this one, and then this. But before that I refill it with small branches. This is my first time. I never used this kind of wood stove, but I check online. It's good for cooking. It's not easy to start fire today because the last night it's raining. Then I cannot find the dry wood. It's better than nothing. I cut like this small. It's not very wet, but so I use the fire starter. Small amount of this. Just the food is not dry. This may be little hard to make a fire. Try my best, you guys. This one is it's okay, right? Okay, first of all, I boil the rice. This amount of rice. And then I add some water over here. Wash first. It's not easy to wash them once. Okay, it's done to wash. 2 cups of water. Rice. 1 more cup. Cup. And then I shake them well, balance, and then I add salt. I cover it. So I put on the fire stove. Nice. While the rice is boiling, I'm sitting here and I make a setup here like this because it start raining. Start raining now. You can see the cloud and dark. It's not heavy rain, but just a little bit raining. You can see the stone became wet. The rice almost done. There's very heavy rain now. Now I move the wood stove here near the tree. This place is only protect from the rain. This is the last place I have, so I start cooking here. Whatever is rain or I need to cook my lunch. Now I put oil for fry fish. सही है. Fry ready. Try some. Now my veggie also ready. See, it's nice. It's okay, and now I add some more wood for tea. Now is time for eat. Today is not an easy lunch because the before is heavy rain. I cook in the rain. And now let me see what happened with the rice. Wow, it's nice, huh? Nice rice. Wow, try this one. Wow, nice. It's really perfect. Here is the fish. I'll try the fish too. Wow,
It's more delicious than chicken.
The tea is ready.
Yes.
It's boiling. It's nice.
Oh yeah.
It's nice to have a tea in the rain. In the rain, in this weather. Nice place. I hope you guys like my video.